What's with the consistency of doing things? I don't understand this. The constant repeat of doing things over and over again. This thing always puzzled me. I guess I do things in a cycle over and over again, but only because I'm schizophrenic. I guess if I wasn't schizophrenic, I would be in the same cycle you're in. Following a group, like going to work, following a group to work. Going out to eat for lunch, following a group to work, to lunch. Coming home, getting in front of the TV, watching a group of people talk about something, or make a movie or something, then go to bed, and repeat the same cycle. And then when the weekend comes, you get a group of friends, you go with a group, and you drink or do whatever you're doing, and the weekend's over with, and then you're back to work. It's always this herd mentality. Meh. You know? You are sheepier than I am. Brr. Get behind me. So I'm always like, what's with all these sheep? Why they keep doing this? All they do is baa all the time. Because I don't talk very well, so it's like, yeah, you know. I'm the sheep always wandering away from the herd. Those sheep bully me, you know, in this analogy of world. Yeah. So why are we so consistent in our cycles? One group's bigger than the other group. Blah, 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 blah. It's my take anyway.